All right, I'm just waiting to see if some people transferring over. Check it out. All right, just waiting for a couple more people to get on here, and then we'll get started. All right, so hopefully, if you were in the lab, I really don't know what happened. It's my first time using Blab. I had actually spoke with Erin Klein because I know she used it for her Chalk Talk last week, and I know they had some technical difficulties as well, but Blab kind of came to the rescue. I reached out to Blab, and they did not come to the rescue. So we're going to get started on here. This is a Google Hangout on air, so it'll be recorded, and then I'll be able to share the recording. I'll send it out via email, on my blog, on Twitter, to anybody that's interested, and also put it up on the Blab as kind of like a link that people can access. So it looks like we've got at least 50, 60 viewers right now, so I'm going to get started. And really, I want to talk about getting started with Genius Hour. And this is what I was saying, but I don't know who heard it. But my name's AJ Giuliani. Thank you for being here. Genius Hour is something that changed my teaching career. It changed me as a learner, a professional learner. And it's something that I've seen inspire both teachers and students in the past couple of years. I'm a former middle school teacher, high school English teacher, a K through 12 technology staff developer, and now I'm an administrator K through 12 that works with teachers to do technology, innovation, project-based learning, curriculum work. I have one of the best jobs in the world. And today I really just want to talk about two main things, which is how do you get started with Genius Hour? Like, what are the actual steps to get started with Genius Hour? And then how can we work through some of the common issues that happen when you do a passion or inquiry-based project? Because there's a lot of issues that come up. I'm going to do a quick screen share and share out just kind of the basic steps to 20% timer Genius Hour. So here you go. I'm going to screen and share that. So if you look at this is from my website here. This is a guide that I put together, kind of a little walkthrough on getting started with 20% time. If you're new to Genius Hour, you'll notice that people in the elementary, primary, and middle school world a lot of times call their passion project Genius Hour. A lot of times at the high school level, they'll call it 20% time project. Genius Hour and 20% time and passion projects and inquiry-based projects and choice-based projects, they all come from the same, vine, right? The same tree. And basically, it's students getting the chance to learn what they're interested about. So they're developing skills, they're acquiring skills, hitting standards through actually going through content they care about. And so the first step is giving students class time to create their own learning path. 20% time project is all about giving students 20% of the time. Genius Hour is about giving students an hour a week or an hour every 2 weeks. It's really about what works for your schedule. It doesn't have to necessarily be an hour. It just has to be class time that's devoted to students learning and creating what they want to learn about, what they are interested in. The next big piece, and this is something that one of the big proponents of 20% time, Kevin Brookhouser, who actually has a book, The 20 Time Project, fantastic book. Another great book is Pure Genius by Don Wettrick, and another book that's coming out by Galit and Denise Krebs, Genius Hour guidebook, is also fantastic. But what Kevin talks about, and is something that I adopted very quickly, is having students create a product. So that means if students are learning how to code, right,